This is the latest version of the GHD Gold S7N261 heaters, and they've actually used the heater, the same heater that is fitted on the original S4C242s. So there's some differences here that we just need to check. Firstly, just pull on the wires. These are little tweezers. Just to make sure they're all still intact. If they're not, they'll just pop off, and that's the reason why you're getting the red light failure. The other thing, with your multimeter, just check you've got continuity across the thermal fuse. Yes, we have. And check the ohms on the middle. 558, yeah. So they're all okay. So if you take off your two little silicone grommets, and then using your pen knife, if you just prise the little metal clips off, that's great. So bear in mind, this is the latest S7N261 backing plate, and as such you can't slide it off. What you do is look at this small triangle, and at the point, that's where the clip is. You can just see it very slightly in the aluminium, just holding in so it keeps the backing plate from moving. Now to open it, you need to use a small pen knife and just gradually ease it along and push it up. You see it there, and that's where the plastic fits in. Push it away from you, up it comes. So inside you've got a different type of silicone housing. Now that is on the latest models, and that was on the earlier models. You can see slightly different. Okay, and if you compare R1 to this one, it's slightly bigger. So take this one off, use a bit of thermal paste on there, get the replacement, slide it along to make sure the thermal paste is all leveled out, and as you'll find, the cover doesn't fit. So what we've got to do is adapt this. What I tend to do is get a little pair of nips, nip there, round, nip there, and then along the edge, nip nip, and along there, like the same. So now fits perfect. Doesn't affect the use at all. Bear in mind the thermal fuse is encased in aluminium, and doesn't affect this at all because it won't touch the plastic, and this is heat resistant. Now looking at your little groove, it needs to be at the point of the triangle so it fits in there. The V on there goes here, so make sure your wires are either side. Click it down, lift it up so you can see. Okay, so that little square there needs to go in there. Just makes it a little bit more trickier. But you remember your triangle, and you know where it is. So once you've got the little square in, make sure your wires are either side, and you can click it. That's that. Obviously it won't move. Your little clips, just tighten them up slightly, and on it goes. Now this procedure is exactly the same on the S4C242, apart from it's a different hair straightener. So there you go.